Today I'm making delicious, fluffy baked vanilla donuts with a strawberry cream cheese glaze. Let's go to the ingredients. For this recipe I use 120 grams of sugar, 110 grams of cream cheese, 60 milliliters of milk, some vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 200 grams of flour, a dash of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I begin by combining sugar with the eggs and some vanilla extract and mixing that for about a minute or two until I have a creamy consistency. Then I add the cream cheese to this and beat it for another 30 seconds. I briefly combine the dry ingredients, making sure that the baking powder is well absorbed in the flour, and then gradually adding that to the wet ingredients and alternating that with the milk. You want to avoid overmixing the flour because that will make the consistency of the donuts a little dry, so keep it light and airy. At this point, I'm just going to pour this into a pastry bag and then fill my donut baking pan. My oven's preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and then I'm ready to pop this into the oven for about 12 minutes. While the donuts are in the oven baking, I'm going to prepare the glaze. I'm using 2 tablespoons of milk, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 40 grams of cream cheese, some natural strawberry flavor, and some vanilla extract. I begin by combining cream cheese, powdered sugar, and the liquid, so the vanilla extract and the strawberry, and beating that for about a minute until I have a creamy consistency. To this, I'm going to gradually add the milk. I use about 1.5 tablespoons. You could use a little bit more if you wanted a little bit more on the runny side. And then I dunk my donuts into the glaze. Super delicious. You can decorate the donuts however you want. I'm using some sprinkles, obviously the glaze in the color white, and then I've kept the remainder of the glaze and colored it further red, and then I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, creative ideas, and also some healthy, delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.